In this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Suncor Energy stock, ticker symbol SU in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, simply go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're on the discover screen, go to the top and press on search. And then as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol SU, or you can also type in Suncor as well if you don't see it. But as you can tell right here under stocks, Suncor Energy Inc. Press on that right there. Press on buy at the bottom, then type in the amount you wish to invest if you're going to do a fractional buy, or you can go to fractional buy. I press on that, then go to market buy, limit buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy, whatever you guys want. I will just stick with fractional buy for this example. I will do $2 for this example as well, and then press continue. And pretty simple. To confirm your purchase, just go to the bottom and press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy Suncor Energy stock, ticker symbol SU in Canada on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.